All right. Well, good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to Education Week. And thank you for joining me today. My name is Marina Verduci, and I'm an account manager here at BGL. Today, I will be covering digital signing in CAS 360, use of the SmartDocs email address in CAS 360, our electronic signing integrations, and we'll also be going through a live demonstration of the e-signing workflow by sending an ASIC annual review. Great, so on screen you'll see some of the products we offer here at BGL. We have Simple Fund 360, which is a self-managed super fund tax and compliance software. Simple Invest 360, complete accounting, investment and tax software. Our SmartDocs 360, AI-powered paper-to-data software, and of course our CAS 360, an all-in-one company secretarial management software. Now, if you have any queries regarding any of our products, please reach out to your account manager. Okay, just some housekeeping before we get started. So all attendees are in listen-only mode. The Q&A window allows you to ask questions to BGL, both during and after the webinar, and attending are some of my great knowledgeable colleagues that will be answering your Q&As. So to submit a question, please use the Q&A box. And as always, these webinars will be recorded so that you can always go back and refer to them if need be. And for all of those who registered today, will also receive a copy of this webinar. On screen, we have our Education Week schedule. So if you are interested in registering for any of these upcoming webinars, please register via our BGL events calendar, and there will be a link provided in the chat box below. Okay, another brief overview of what we will be covering today. So we'll be going through our supported digital signing providers. We'll be going through a demonstration, so using the SmartDocs email address in CAS 360 for documents signed using a wet signature. And we'll also be going through another demonstration of the digital signing workflow and what that will look like from your client's perspective. Okay, so why would you use digital signing? So having come from public practice myself, I understand the challenges that come with managing client documentation. Chasing clients for signed forms can be incredibly time-consuming and can significantly impact overall productivity. Keeping track of outstanding documents only adds to the administrative burden, and on average, it takes approximately 28 days to receive a paper signed document, which could lead to ASIC late payment fees, which may negatively reflect the reputation of your firm. Last financial year, more than 300,000 documents have been digitally signed through our 4 integrated signing partners. So as you can see, implementing digital signing not only streamlines your firm's workflow, but also enhances efficiency, accuracy, and your client's overall experience. Okay, we've got a brief overview of the integration. So it's important to note that integrations with digital signing in BGL is free, but you must already have an account with any of these providers. So we have Adobe Sign, you must have an enterprise account, DocuSign, Advanced Solutions account, FuseSign, Business Light Plan or Hire, and PleaseSign, Business Pro account. And we are looking to expand this list with more integrations on the way. Now, to integrate these products, I'll just quickly jump into my CAS 360. So you want to hop into the app switcher here and then integrations. One moment while I... And we want to click on digital signing, and then you want to toggle on whichever account that you have. So simply by toggling on, and as you can see here, I have FuseSign integrated with my CAS. Okay, using BGL SmartDocs 360. So using AI capabilities, you can now easily send and upload signed documents into CAS 360. So the documents will automatically attach to the existing document. It is particularly helpful for those practices that don't have e-signing available. And for the purpose of today, I've generated an ASIC form 484, and our client has signed the form with a wet signature and returned it to us. So I will show you that form. So I've received the form and I've scanned it in my scanner and it's emailed to my inbox. And as you can see here, my client has signed the form and they've also signed the solvency resolution. So our SmartDocs AI email address will read the document based on the trace number of the form. Now to access this email address, I want to head into CAS, click on settings, and then email settings. And now if I scroll down the bottom, you will see a unique SmartDocs email address, which is connected to your firm's CAS 360. So I'm going to copy that now, and I'm going to forward this document to the SmartDocs email. Now, I will also receive an email when those documents have been processed, which looks like this. So it'll come from SmartDocs and it will say that it has attached the document to CAS. Now, if I hop back into CAS 360 and click on Documents, this is the form that I've generated. And as you can see, it has changed the status to signed by client and on the date. So if I click on Options now and Attachments, as you can see, it has automatically saved the form. So it's a great way of managing and storing documents if you don't have digital signing available. Great. So I'm now going to process an annual review and send it to my clients via e-signing. So this is particularly helpful for practices that have integrated e-signing already. So I will hop back into CAS now and click on Review. And I have my annual review ready to go. So I'm going to prepare those documents now. Now, as I said earlier, I have FuseSign integrated with CAS 360. So that's all good to go. I have my cover letter toggled on, my ASIC annual company statement, my ASIC invoice, and solvency resolution. Now, the green pen icon here on the right simply means that e-signing has been integrated with CAS and it's ready to be used. Once I'm happy with that, I'm going to click on Send All. As you can see, I have my email template already set up, and this is what my client will see. My client will see the Pay Now button, which will direct the client to the Australia Post Bill Pay website so they can pay their ASIC fee. And they'll also receive the Review Documents button as well. So once I'm happy with that, I'm going to send it to my client. Great, so as you can see, having the e-signing integration turned on saves a lot of time with its automation. Rather than you having to download those documents and send them in a separate email, or even printing them and sending them via post, it has saved us a lot of time. Now, you also have the option of sending any ASIC form generated in CAS 360 through e-signing for clients to sign electronically. Now I'm going to hop back into my inbox and my client will receive this email now. So as you can see, we've got the Pay Now button and Review Documents. So the client will simply click on Review Documents and it will redirect them to the Fuse Sign platform. So I will click on Review Documents now. And the client will simply start signing and following the prompts to sign that annual review package. Beautiful. So that package has now been signed. And once the client has signed the documents, you will also receive an email with the signed documents, which looks like this. We've included the signed package and the audit report from Fuse Sign as well. Now, I will also receive a notification in the notification bell icon in CAS 360. So I'm going to hop back into CAS 360 now and click on my notification bell icon. And as you can see here, the documents have been signed. Now you can file these accordingly in your document management system, or you can have them saved and filed in CAS 360. Now, it's important to note you can cancel or void any documentation you have sent via e-signing. You don't need to go into the e-signing account. You can update this directly into CAS 360 by clicking on Options and then Void. Now, as always, if you require any on-the-spot guidance, you can always refer to our live chat function here. You're also able to search for any help articles using our help and assistance, and you can log a support call through this function here. Beautiful. So the four main takeaways from today: we've enhanced firm efficiency and productivity through the use of e-signing. We've gone through our CAS 360 e-signing integrations. That's Adobe Sign, DocuSign, Fuse Sign, and Please Sign. We've streamlined document management using the SmartDocs email address to automatically upload and store documents. And we've been through a live demonstration by sending an ASIC annual review for electronic signing.